Good morning. We are having our breakfast again at Mantis. This is our choice of the day, and no matter how hard we try to be the first, there are always people ahead of us.
So we didn't show you yet, but we did change room after the first night. This is a contemporary room while we were staying in a heritage room before. As you can see, it has a very nice bathroom as well. The reason why we changed room was basically because the contemporary rooms are more quiet than the heritage rooms. So we wanted to change to a little bit more quiet room. As you can see, they look quite similar still. They still have the design of the picture of St Helena. Same colors. So it's a very nice design still, just they are newer. Like any room, it has a TV, it has a desk, a rubbish bin, the usual stuff. We don't really have a view here because we are on the ground floor. There are 3 floors here, but we are on the lowest one. It also has an air conditioning, which works very well. And then here you have some space to store your luggage. You have a safe, hair dryer is there. There's an extra blanket on top and some more storage for your clothes. They also provide you with a water cooker, some water and tea and coffee, as well as 2 cups. This one is empty. And there is a fridge as well, but it's empty also. But you can store some of your own food, of course. So as you can see, they're very nice modern rooms. We like these ones more because they're more quiet and they are newer. The rooms in the other part of the hotel, they are above the dining area, which are a bit more noisy. Also, they have the wooden floors. So they have kind of cracking when you walk over them, so we didn't sleep so well in these. But these ones are very nice. They have 22 rooms of contemporary rooms, basically, on 3 floors. I would recommend these ones if you stay in the Mantis Hotel.
Today's choice of the hike is Lemon Valley. According to the map, the hike usually takes 3 to 4 hours, and the first part is downhill mostly, the way back is uphill. I hope we are somewhere halfway.
So the small house you can see is actually the old quarantine location.
Amazing, we walked all this way down.
Even though it's called Lemon Valley, there are no lemons here anymore. There's just some leftovers from the fortification, as well a quarantine location which was used in the 18th century to quarantine slaves from smallpox. There are also quite some spider webs here. We're on our way back to the car now. We didn't go into the quarantine location as it didn't look very clean and safe. If something happens, we don't have phone reception here. Good morning everyone from Jamestown. Today we're flying back to Johannesburg. So interesting enough, the hotel is very busy today because everyone is leaving on the one flight per week. We are sharing the bus with a group of Chinese tourists. So today there are 3 cars, I believe, and a full bus of people all leaving the Mantis hotel to the airport together.
You can hear the bus struggling to go up the hill with all the humans and suitcases.
I believe this is why the over here bring like 100 people here and then take another 100.
So this is the check-in for the only flight per week. I've been wondering what the airport staff does the rest of the week. Do they have multiple jobs and they come just once per week here? I have no idea. And our aircraft managed to land, which is great news as well, as on some Saturdays it does not manage to land due to the weather conditions. But we are lucky today, so we're going to be able to leave on time. As we are nearing the end of this video, it's a good time to summarize our stay on the island. So first of all, did we enjoy our stay on St Helena? Very much, yes. We loved it. It's a very quiet, very beautiful place. It is very isolated and it does add to the uniqueness of the island, of course. The Hotel Mantis was very nice as well. It was very clean, very comfortable, and the food in the hotel was always nice. The whale shark excursion was something special for us as we'd never done anything like it before. Yes, we did get seasick and we suffered a little bit, but we still enjoyed the experience and we're very happy we did that as well. There are a lot of trails on the island. There are above, I think, more than 20 trails. Of course, we didn't do all of them, but the ones we did were very nice. On top of that, there is a rich history on the island. Of course, again, Napoleon is a big part of that, but many other famous people have visited the island. So should you visit? Yes, I believe you should. If you're planning a stay in St Helena and you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We'll be happy to help you if we can, or try to direct you to someone that can help you. Other than that, thank you so much for watching all of our videos from St Helena. It would really make our day if you would subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Also, a very special thank you to the people of St Helena, to all the saints that helped us around the island.